What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Makery Online. I am Mr. Robert. Let's jump into what we're doing today. All right, guys. Today we're going to take this 1x8 and turn it into. So this is what we're going to be making. Let's head over to the table saw and get started. All right, guys. So this is the table saw right here. Okay. This is what we're going to be using to cut down the 1x8 to make the birdhouse. This sled on top of my saw is going to help me cut everything down to the proper size. You guys are about to see a speed through of what happens here. All right, guys, always have safety first. Wear a dust mask. Here we go. All right. So now we're going to name these. All right. I'm going to put it an S for a side. Side. Let's put left, right. Okay. This will be the front. Front. This will be the back. Okay, so we got to cut those still. This piece will be the floor. All right. Then we got the roof and roof. Then we have one more. We'll name this the hanging board. We'll just put HB on it for hanging board. Okay. The front and back, we have to measure and put our pitch to it. We're gonna cut the 45s off. Okay. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna measure this 5.5 inches. Do you guys remember what the center point is of 5.5? 2 3/4. Double check. 2 3/4. We'll take our combination square. And put that pitch on there. Okay. And we're going to do that on both these, front and back. Find center again. 2 3/4. Double check. 2 3/4. Get the combination square. All right, so we'll take these two pieces back over to the table saw and cut them. All right, now we have to do our 45-degree cuts. We'll line this up with the blade. I'll put a stop block in place so we can make the same cut a couple times. Okay. Back this up a little bit. All right, now that we have our front and back cut, we're gonna go ahead and measure from the bottom up 4 inches so we can cut the hole for the birds. Okay, that's 4 inches there. Then we're gonna take our combination square, line it up with the tip of the house here, make another line. And that's where we're going to drill the hole. All right, so we're here at the drill press. We're gonna go ahead and drill our hole into the birdhouse. So what you're gonna wanna do is make sure this is clamped down so it doesn't move on you. Okay, the base is secure. Go ahead and turn this on, and you want the center of the bit to be in the center of the cross you made on the board. And there you go. The hole is drilled. All right, so one thing I didn't put into the SketchUp was putting the hole for the dowel so the birds can perch on. So you're gonna measure 2 3/8 inch up, and then center it again, and then drill that hole. And that one's not gonna go all the way through, just partially. Okay? And that's what you should have now. All right, now that I got everything cut, got the holes drilled for the birds to enter and for the dowel, now I'm gonna have to go through, measure everything precisely, and put your guys's pre-drilled holes. You won't see none of that in the video. I'm gonna do that all off camera, but you will see it before I put it together, okay? All right, guys, so this is what you're gonna get in your kit. You get your front and back pieces with the holes pre-drilled, okay? All the holes are pre-drilled. Your floor piece, this would be pre-drilled. Your side pieces have no holes in them. Your roof is pre-drilled. And so your hanging plate, you'll just have to put your own holes however you're gonna hang it. All right, guys, that's it for today. In the next video, you'll see me putting this together for you guys. Until next time, Mr. Robert, I'm out.